We'll solve an equation that contains fractions. The equation that we'll solve is 3/4 equals 1/2 plus 5/3 x. Now, because this equation contains fractions, I would like, as a first step, to multiply it by something that clears the fractions. And what I will multiply by is the least common multiple of these three denominators. We know that 4 is equal to 2 times 2, so we need two factors of 2 in the least common multiple. There's just one 2 here, so we've taken care of the 2's with the two 2's in 4. And then we also need a factor of 3, so the least common multiple is going to be equal to 2 times 2 times 3, or 12. And I'll multiply both sides of the equation by 12. On the left, I have 12 times 3/4, and I'll multiply the whole right-hand side by 12. I use parentheses to show that that's what I'm doing. Now on the left, I have 12 times 3, or 36 over 4. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to use the distributive property. I have 12 times 1/2 plus 12 times 5/3 x. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 12 times 1/2 is 12 over 2. And 12 times 5/3 gives me 60 over 3, and that's times x. Now let's simplify these two fractions. I have 9 is equal to 6, 12 divided by 2, plus 60 divided by 3, 20, times x. Next, I'm going to subtract 6 on both sides so that I have the x term alone on the right. So I'll have 9 minus 6 is equal to 6 plus 20x minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3, so I have 3 is equal to 20x. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 20 to get x alone. Let's move up here to do that. I'll have 3 divided by 20 is equal to 20x divided by 20. And when I simplify, I have 3 over 20 is equal to x. So we say the solution is 3 over 20.